Hello guys, my name is Dennis Kadri. Welcome to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to download and set up Visual Studio Code on your PC. Visual Studio Code, popularly referred to as VS Code, is a powerful code editor made by Microsoft and is available for Windows, macOS, and Linux. Visual Studio Code is by far the best code editor out there, and it comes with built-in support for JavaScript, TypeScript, and Node.js, and has a rich ecosystem of extensions for other languages like C++, Python, PHP, Java, and many more. And the best part of it is that it is free and open source. So to download Visual Studio Code on your PC, you are going to head over to Microsoft Store. Visual Studio Code is available in Microsoft Store. When you are in Microsoft Store, just search for Visual Studio Code and it will pop up as the best match. Or you can head over to your browser and search for code.visualstudiocode.com/download. The link is in the description of this video. So as you can see right here, you can download Visual Studio Code on all the operating system, that is Windows, Linux, and Mac. So you are going to click on the button that matches your operating system to kick off your download. After downloading and installing Visual Studio Code on your PC, when you open it, you are going to see something like this. So right now I am going to teach you how to install extensions. So you are going to head over to the extensions panel down here. So we are going to install some extensions, let's say Live Server. With Live Server, you can launch your website in a development web server. With this extension, anytime you save your code, you see the changes reflected in the browser. Live Server has a live reload feature. It is a very popular extension with over 25 million downloads, as you can see right here. So you can go ahead and hit on the install button to install the extension. So I already have Live Server installed in my system. So another extension I would recommend is Prettier. Prettier Code Formatter. Prettier is another popular extension with over 25 million downloads. With Prettier, you can format your code and make it look pretty, as the name implies. It formats your code every time you save it. So you can go ahead and hit on the install button to install Prettier. I already have Prettier installed right here in my PC. There are many other useful extensions out there you can install, but you are not going to be needing all of them. So I'm going to advise you head over to Google and search for Visual Studio Code extension. Read about the extensions to see the ones that you need. So that is it guys, that is how to download and set up Visual Studio Code. If you find this video helpful, please give it a like, support this channel by subscribing, and turn on post notifications so you get notified when I post a new video like this. Thank you, and I'll see you on the next one.